Welcome to HCS. We're stood here with our 1935 Aston Martin Mk II. Vincent has joined our video to explain what has been done. The car came in for a light service and some adjustments. So take it away, Vincent.
Yeah, exactly. As you said, there was a few problems it was having. For example, the starter was malfunctioning. There was also a problem with the gearbox. The reverse gear kept jumping out of gear. That has been well adjusted and is not jumping out anymore. So it's basically ready now. Everything's been greased, and hopefully the owner will be collecting it soon for loads of summer joy.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm going to send you off on a test drive, and thank you for the explanation, Vincent.
No worries.
So let's hear the Aston start up and drive away. So that's another car successfully serviced here at HCS. Thanks again for watching, and catch you in the next one.